Okay guys, it's the Friday on Memorial Day weekend. Just kind of mowed the front section here. I raised this to 5/8 of an inch from 1/2. I'm doing a single double pattern. It looks great. So you know that last video that I put up about the scalping in the backyard? I had you guys fooled thinking that I ruined my front lawn with the fertilizer cocktail and it burned. So it has been 2 weeks since I put the fertilizer cocktail down and look, no burn. So you naysayers are wrong. I didn't get any burn with that cocktail and it looks great. So I knew what I was doing with that fertilizer cocktail. A lot of people gave me a lot of bad things to say about it, but I had about 90 pounds of fertilizer in that hopper and I only put down about maybe 30 pounds over this 7,500 square foot section. And I figured there was probably about 25 pounds of nitrogen in that whole fertilizer spreader. So I'm figuring I put about a pound of nitrogen down over this section, and that's really kind of what I was aiming for. I know you guys thought I was just going crazy with the fertilizer, but I had it calculated. I knew it wouldn't burn. I just wanted to show you guys that it's okay. You know, you don't have to be so strict about the fertilizer, and it'll be okay if you just go light. So if you can see right here, no burn. So see right here, guys, here is everything, the whole lawn. I've got no fertilizer burn from the fertilizer cocktail. So I am just kind of mowing this at 5/8 of an inch. So I'm mowing this at 5/8 of an inch and it looks great. And I don't have any fertilizer burn. So there you go. So don't be giving me a hard time. So I just wanted to show you guys the result of the fertilizer cocktail tonight, and then tomorrow I'm going to show you the result from the scalping. So the scalping's been about 20 days since I did that, and I've been mowing it repeatedly to try to keep it up, and it still kind of doesn't look very good, but I'm gonna show you that tomorrow. So anyways, so that's all you got, folks. Appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.